C# function. What is function in C#? In C#, a function is a block of code that performs a specific task and can be called from other parts of your program. Functions are a fundamental concept in C# and are often referred to as methods. Functions in C# are known as methods and are defined within a class or struct. They can have parameters, which are variables passed into the method, and they can return a value or be void, returning no value. What is syntax of function? This is the general syntax of a function, method. In C#, return type defines the type of value the method will return, or void if it returns nothing. Method name is the function's name, and parameters are input values passed to it. The method body contains the logic, and the return statement sends a result back to the caller. Example of function. The sum function takes two integer parameters, price1 and price2, and returns their total as an integer. It is a local function defined inside the main method. When sum, 25, 50, is called, the values are added and the result is stored in result1. Finally, the program prints the calculated sum to the console. What are rule of making function? A function must have a return type, or void if it returns nothing. A function must have a valid and meaningful name. Parameters, if any, must be defined with their datatypes inside parentheses. The function body must be enclosed in curly braces. A non-void function must contain a return statement with the correct type. Function names should follow Pascal case or camel case conventions. A function can be called only after it is defined or in scope. What are advantages of function? Functions reduce code duplication by allowing reuse of the same logic. Functions make code easier to read and understand. Functions help in breaking large programs into smaller, manageable parts. Functions make debugging and testing easier. Functions improve maintainability because changes are made in one place. Functions support modularity, making programs well-structured. Functions save development time and reduce errors. What are disadvantages function? Functions can add extra memory overhead due to function calls and stack usage. Excessive function calls may reduce performance in time-critical code. Too many small functions can make code harder to follow. Passing many parameters can increase complexity. Debugging can be harder when logic is spread across multiple functions. Poorly designed functions can lead to tight coupling. Summary. Functions are essential for breaking down complex tasks into smaller, reusable pieces of code, improving code organization, and promoting code reusability and maintainability in your C# programs. Thank you for watching this C# function tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications for more useful C# and .NET videos.